In this video, we are going to show you how to change global guard settings. Universal guard settings allow you to change all guard settings in one place. For universal guard settings, click on your company name in the top right corner of the dashboard and select Settings from the drop-down. Under the Global Guard Settings tab you have all the settings. General. Enable auto-approve reports, eliminates the need to manually approve every report submitted by the guards. All reports submitted by the guards are automatically approved. Enable GPS tracking, enable this setting to pinpoint all your security guards on client sites in real time using a dynamic map. You can add a custom time to automatically update the location as well as select the accuracy of GPS. Enable idle alert after, set an inactivity time period to receive notifications when guards on site aren't active for more than the specified time. Enable site tour notes, this lets your security guards add tour notes while conducting a site tour on a client site. Allow guards to email reports, allows guards to email reports right from the GuardsPro mobile app. Disable creating group and individual chats for guards, disables the guards from creating groups or chatting one-on-one with other guards on the messenger. Allow guards to view other guards submitted reports, it allows the guards to view reports submitted by other guards. Enable the guard to upload the media from the gallery, it will allow to enable or disable the feature that allows the guard to upload media from the gallery. Time clock. Disable manual clock in, allows the security guards to only clock in on a client site when he or she is assigned to a particular shift. Enable auto-approve time logs, every time a guard will clock in on-site, time logs will be automatically generated and approved. Automatically clock out guard after 24 hours of working, automatically clocks out the guard who has been working continuously for 24 hours. Enable clock in and clock out notes, make sure the guards can clock in/out only after adding notes. Enable clock out and check out when app is forced closed, every time a guard's mobile app will close, it will automatically clock out and check out the guard from the post site in the app. Enforce checkout before clock out, enforces the guards to check out of the post site before they clock out when the shift is completed. Automatically check in when clocked in, it allows the system to automatically check in when the guards clock into the app. Automatically check out when clocked out, it allows the system to automatically check out the guards when they clock out of the app. Enable clock in inside geofence, allows the guards to only clock in when they are inside the geofence. Enable clock out inside geofence, the guards to clock out while they are inside the geofence. Enable guard weekly work hour limit flag when worked over 50 hours/week. By enabling this option, you can set weekly hours limit and flag the guard if goes over the limit while scheduling. Enforce facial recognition before clock in and clock out, it will allow the guard to enable facial recognition in the mobile app and use before clock in and clock out. Scheduler. Allow guard to clock in before scheduled start time, allows the guards to clock in before the defined scheduled shift start time. Allow guard to exchange shift without approval, every time the shift exchange is requested by the guards, it will be automatically approved. Allow system to auto clock in based on scheduled time, gives the system permission to clock in the guards automatically at the scheduled time. Allow system to auto clock out based on scheduled time, gives the system the permission to clock out the guards automatically at the scheduled time. Ask for a reason for remaining clocked in when the shift is over after, defines the time after which the app prompts the guard to add notes to mention reasons for working overtime. Allow guard to set availability, allows the guard to view or modify their availability hours. Enable auto approve availability hours, eliminates the need to manually approve the guard availability hours. Automatically assign and confirm open shift for the first guard who accepts the shift, eliminates the need to manually assign and confirm open shift for the guard. Auto confirm published shift, it allows the system to automatically confirm the published shifts. Allow guard to call off shift before, it will allow the guard to call off shift before specified time. Notifications. Send license expiry notification before, it allows the system to automatically notify the guards on the specified day before the license expires. Send vehicle patrol route start notification before, assign a custom time to define the system to automatically notify the security guards before the shift starts. Send vehicle patrol route delay notification, assign a custom time to define the system to automatically notify the security guards and admin about delay in clock in/out. Task/tour start notification before, it allows the system to automatically notify the guards and admin at a specified time before a task or site tour is about to start. Send task/tour delay notification after, it allows the system to automatically notify the guards and admin about a delay in starting the tour/task. Send shift start notification before. Define the time the system will automatically notify the guards before the shift starts. Send shift delay notification. Allows admin to define a custom time for the system to automatically notify the security guards and admin about the delay in clock in/out. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.